Hey there! Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. I asked the viewers to let me know what food product you would like to learn about, and I did a little survey, and the winning food product is Sun-Maid Raisins. Wow, they're old, but it's definitely a memorable box. I'm going to be using these raisins and making something pretty strange out of them. I am making Raisin Rigatoni. Let me show you how to make it. This recipe comes from this vintage 1980 cookbook, the Sun-Maid cookbook. A cookbook all about raisins. Let's boil up some rigatoni. Okay, drain that pasta. Now in the pan I need 2 tablespoons of butter and some olive oil. I've cut up some ham. This is actually the lunch meat ham that I'm going to saute with a tablespoon of minced garlic. And now it's time to toss in some raisins, about a half a cup, a shake of parsley, and a couple tablespoons of diced pimiento. Stir together and cook for a couple minutes. Time to toss and mix in that rigatoni. Raisins, and it says to serve with some grated Parmesan. The company came to be, as the box says, in 1912, when a group of multiple California raisin growers came together and said, let's be one big company making raisins. Soon after, a local advertiser came up with the name Sun-Maid, because that's the process that raisins become raisins. They're formed by the sun. In 1915, the director of Sun-Maid was just wandering around and saw this young lady with a red bonnet on. He said, "Can I paint your picture?" And he did, and she became the face of Sun-Maid. Her name is Lorraine Collett, and here she is in 1980. Sun-Maid has been part of American culture. This box has been in Norman Rockwell paintings, and they would even send these little boxes to the troops during the war. The Sun-Maid gal wasn't the only famous mascot. In the mid-80s, the California Raisin Advisory Board came up with the idea of a new way to sell raisins, and that was a dancing and singing raisin group. Oh, I heard it through the grapevine. In 2007, the Sun-Maid logo was announced to be America's best lasting logo. You can even go and visit the Smithsonian and you can see the actual bonnet from the logo. How fun is that? Raisin Rigatoni. It's nothing I would have ever imagined going together. But let's find out. It's a good noodle dish. Love that cheese and ham. And then at the end you get a nice sweet bite. That's the raisin. It's a fun combination. I dig it. I'll give it a 7.6 out of 10. I just love getting help from my audience on choosing what videos to do. Now check out my community page. I'll have another poll to figure out what food product I should learn about next. What's an Amish person's favorite kind of raisin? A barn raisin.